Hello good people, and welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a short video. This is another project that I would normally just do off cam, but let's just film it. There's really not much to this project. This is just a RAM expansion unit for the Amiga 500, which supports up to 2 megabytes of RAM from Danish AmiTech. That's a pretty cool product, but it has this battery. You know, these batteries are notorious for leaking and destroying, I don't know, everything, the tracks and solder points and stuff. You can see it has even affected this socket. I don't know if you can see it, but the contact point has a green tint, so it's already leaked up there. I don't know how the hell it happens, but it happens and it's a bad thing. So first thing I'm gonna do is, you can see below here as well, it has affected the underside as well. It doesn't look very good. So first thing I'm gonna do is just check for continuity and see if any tracks are damaged. So this track right here is the track that is most damaged by the looks of it. So I'm just gonna find this. I'll check this, take this point here, and it runs up here. That is very nice. So the track is okay all the way up to here. What about these points? That's all fine. That's great. No track damage. A lot of points on the sockets are connected, like this one is connected to everywhere. And the damaged socket here. See, it has a layer of green goo on it. See, I can catch on the edge there. But otherwise, this socket is pretty much, I don't know if you can clean it, but it's not good. This one, it has some as well. The third socket here is okay, but these two sockets are damaged by the battery. Now if I can't clean those sockets, I'm not gonna change them or anything, because I don't have those sockets, otherwise I would have done that. But what I'm gonna do here is just clean up as much as I can, and of course desolder this battery. It should be a very easy job. So let's just clean it. Let's see if this brush can do anything about the greenish tint on that socket. Not really. Not really. I don't know how I would clean that. These two sockets are only for expanding 1.5 megabytes and beyond anyway. Not sure I'm gonna do that right now. And when I do, I'll just buy some new sockets. Alright, desoldering these 3 points here. There we go. There we go. Alright, we are rid of the evil. See, now I suspect that this path is broken because this hole is now open. I'm not sure if it connects, so I'm gonna check. And there is here. Okay. It goes beyond the hole. Fine. So everything's good. think that's as good as I can do it. So let's just put it in a machine here. Alrighty. Action replay to check the memory. Alright, it's fired up. Let's freeze action replay. Alright, F3. And yes, okay. It says it has 0.5 MB of fast. Well, it's not really fast, but you know, most people called it fast back then. Let's just test with a game, just to be sure. Interceptor has music with 1 MB. Okay, Interceptor. Okay, that's not the music I was talking about, but this is just one of the coolest crack throws in Amiga history, if you ask me. Oh well, let's go on. And there's music, so I didn't botch it, everything works. Take off, Afterburner. Gear up. So thanks a lot for watching this video all the way till the end. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like or subscribe if you want to see more hardware things, and I'm gonna do some gameplay as well at some point. So I guess that's it. Have a fantastic day, people. Bye bye. Thumbs up for super professional landing.